Hello, Course 2 Math students. Welcome to Mrs. Bandu's Math Movies. Today we're going to look at Lesson 1-8, Multiplying and Dividing Integers. So our objective today is to multiply and divide integers and solve problems involving integers. Okay, let's go over our key concepts first. The product of two integers with the same sign is positive. For example, 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6. The product of two integers with different signs is negative. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Dividing integers. The quotient of two integers with the same sign is positive. For example, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Negative 10 divided by negative 2 is 5. The quotient of two integers with different signs is negative. Examples are negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. And 10 divided by negative 2 is also negative 5. So basically our rules for multiplying and dividing are pretty straightforward. When you're dealing with two integers with the same sign, the product or quotient is going to be positive. When you deal with two integers with different signs, the product or quotient is going to be negative. Okay, let's look at an example. Here are a couple of examples. Find each product. So we're going to be multiplying here. 3 times 7 is 21. Same signs. Positive product. Same rule applies here when you do negative 3 times negative 7. That's also positive 21. Same signs, positive product. C and D show us that 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. So we have different signs and a negative product. Similarly, negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. Okay, here is a self-check question. Again, if you wish to do it now, you can pause the tape or the video or come back to it later. I'm going to continue on to example number 2. This is actually where we're going to use division of integers to solve a problem. You are riding your bicycle at a speed of 12 feet per second. 4 seconds later, you come to a complete stop. Find the acceleration of your bicycle. Okay, and we are given a formula to use. Acceleration is equal to the final velocity, final speed, minus the initial velocity, how fast you were going at the beginning of the time over what you're looking at. And of course, time is the duration that you are considering here. Okay, so we're going to substitute 0 for the final velocity because you stopped. All right. For final velocity, substitute 0 for final velocity, 12 for initial velocity, because that's where you're looking at, and 4 times because you're looking at a 4-second time frame here. Okay, so I'll fill that in. 0 minus 12, that quantity, divided by 4. So 0 minus 12 is negative 12 over 4. So I simplified just a little bit. And negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. So when we simplify, the negative sign in our quotient means that the bicycle is slowing, and that makes sense. The bicycle's acceleration is negative 3 feet per second. Again, that's because it's slowing down as you're preparing to stop. Okay, here is another quick check question. It's going to be very much like example number 2 here. You want to refer back to this example to know how to fill in the formula and figure out what you need. Okay, finish up your quick check questions and I will see you in class. Thank you.